All right, I think I've seen these featured before on Facebook, and Sue Dart, my friend, showed these to me, and so now I'm showing them to you. It's these little floating display frames, and they come in different sizes. I've added 2 different listings to my Amazon store, so if you're interested in checking them out, there's one that has the smaller ones like this, and it's 60 pieces of them. There are some, half of them are white, half of them are black. And so you get 60 of these for less than $30, at least in today's price. And in fact, I think there was a 10% off on top of that. So I don't know if that price will always be there. As you know, Amazon changes prices all the time. But these are for the little guys. These guys are only about 2.75 inches across, I think. Let me grab a ruler and just check. Yeah, not even within on the inside display, it's just over 2 inches. So that is one of the listings I added. They also have some that are 4.3 inches and they're larger. I don't have any of those to show you. Sue thought that they were really nice for my decals, if you're doing the 3.5 inch decals that I sell, and applying the decal to glass and you don't want to hang it, that was kind of a cool way to display that. But let me show this to you if you haven't seen this before. So this is the white one. These are the little hearts that I love to fire from the firelight mold that I have. And all you do, can you see there's just a really thin little membrane there? And so all you have to do is kind of put your piece in, center it the best that you can, and press it down, and it kind of captures it in there, and it practically disappears. I mean, other than the glare that you're seeing, you really don't see this. And then you put it at an angle and it sits in your stand. And so this is what a fun way to sell these hearts. The paws, although I don't have any paw prints handy, but those paws that I make with the CPI mold would go great in these. And so I've just got all kinds of little hearts, and I take them to a show and I'll just put them in a bin. But this is a great way for less than 50 cents a piece. I think that that's just a really cool way to highlight these glass pieces. And so I wanted to just share that with you as an idea for those of you who are going to shows, particularly as the holidays are coming up and somebody's looking for something small. Maybe it's a kid that shows up at your booth and they have, you know, just a little bit of money, something that they want to buy mom. And so, you know, this is a great way to sell these hearts, what, $5 a piece? And honestly, there's, how much glass is in there? And you know, 50 cents, less than 50 cents for the little display. I just think that's fun. So I might put a whole bin, I put a few of these on display, put a whole bin of the hearts out, say pick out a heart, and I'll give you a frame. I just think those are fun. So I wanted to share them with you. They're in the Amazon store. Make sure you know which ones you're buying. There are a couple different sizes, but just quick video to share. Catch you all. Oh, and thank you. Obviously, I think I've talked about this before. If you buy from my Amazon link, I get a small commission. It is not much. It doesn't really pay the bills, but it's still something for me for giving you all this free content. So thank you for doing that. And I will say they show instructions. So now it looks a little stretched out. There you go. If you put a little hair dryer on it, it tightens up again. So that's kind of an interesting concept. That's it. Catch you all later. Bye-bye.